Guys, we're here now the city. Guys! What? Oh my god, the city of this? How?
Wake up! You're here in the city. I'm tired.
Okay guys, we're here in the city.
Yes!
What is it? Can you tell me alive?
Okay, chase Ed.
Wait, what is that? Oh my god, it's a police car! Ruby, it's a police car! They're going to chase us!
Oh my god, it's a police car! Ruby, I'm about to make a fast! Ruby, I'm making a police car! Wow, this is fun! Okay, but never mind, I see.
Dude, maybe a plan. It's a police siren. It's too loud. God damn it, it's too loud.
Make it stop the police siren. Stop the police siren. It was a concern that the police car is not a siren.